Basic Electrical Engineering Laboratory. This laboratory is for all four disciplines: electrical engineering, ECE, and computer science and IT for first semester courses. And I am going to demonstrate the experiment, the calibration of ammeter and wattmeter. And the objective of this experiment is to compare the reading of the test ammeter and the test wattmeter with respect to a standard one, and we will then calculate the error and also the percentage error. So this is the circuit diagram for the experiment calibration of ammeter and wattmeter. So this is the source, and the voltmeter should be connected in parallel with the source, and this is the wattmeter. Four terminals are here, N, C, and B. This is the standard ammeter. This is the test ammeter, and the resistive load is connected here. So in this experiment, what we have to do, we have to compare the reading of the standard meter with respect to the test one, and we have to find out the error and also the percentage error. Okay, so this is the panel of the experiment. This is the variac. This is the standard voltmeter, and here are two ammeter. We have to consider one ammeter as a standard one and another as a test one. So we are considering this ammeter as a standard ammeter, and this one is for a test ammeter, and this is the test wattmeter. And the load is behind this panel. Okay, so I am going to start the connection. So ammeter should be connected in series. So we are connecting in series, and this ammeter is connected in series with the test ammeter, and then we are connecting the wattmeter with the ammeter. N, four terminals are here in the wattmeter N, L, C, and here NC should be shorted, and the L terminal, it will be connected one terminal of the load with the one terminal of load, and another terminal of load is connected with the terminal V. And now the V terminal, or from the L terminal, load terminal, we are closing the circuit, and we have to connect the voltmeter in parallel with the source. So now the circuit is complete. So this is the connection of the entire circuit. Okay, now I am switching on the circuit, and gradually we will increase the supply voltage up to 230 volt. So this is the voltmeter, standard voltmeter, this is the standard ammeter, this is the test ammeter, and this is the test wattmeter. Okay, and we will get the value of the standard power, standard wattmeter, multiplying the standard voltmeter reading and the standard ammeter reading. পড়ে যাচ্ছে কেন বারবার ভোল্টেজটা? So we are setting the voltage, supply voltage as 230 volt. Now we have to take the reading of the standard ammeter. This is the standard value and this is the test value, and multiplying this two value we will get the standard wattmeter, and we have to compare the standard wattmeter reading with the test wattmeter reading, and we have to calculate the error. That error is, the formula of the error is the difference between the standard reading and the test reading, and also we have to calculate the percentage error, that is the standard minus test reading divided with respect to the standard reading into the 100%. Okay, and behind this panel there is a load. We have selected the load, and you have to take the 10 readings. And gradually we will decrease the value of the voltage. Okay, now I am taking the reading. So this is the voltmeter reading, that is 220 volt, 220. Test ammeter, that means this is our test ammeter, so it is 0.83, and this is standard ammeter. It is also 0.83 ampere. Test wattmeter means this one is our test at wattmeter 188, and standard wattmeter reading, we have to find out the standard wattmeter value multiplying the standard voltmeter reading and also the standard ammeter reading. Okay, so 220 into 0.83, so multiplying this two we will get, that is 182.6, assuming power factor 1. So now we have to calculate the error. Error is equal to standard reading minus test reading. So for ammeter it is 0, we can see, and for wattmeter it is 182.6 minus 188, so that is minus 5.4, and percentage error is standard reading minus test reading divided by standard reading into 100%. So here standard means 182.6 minus 188 divided by 182.6 into 100. So here our standard reading of the wattmeter is 182.6 and test reading is 188, and the standard divided by standard value, that is 182.6 into 100, and calculating this we are getting the value minus 2.96%. So wattmeter percentage error is minus 2.96%. And in this way we have to gradually decrease the value of the voltmeter reading, and we have to take the total 10 readings. And at the end we have to plot the graphs between the percentage error and the standard value in case of both the ammeter and wattmeter readings, keeping the standard value in x-axis and the percentage error in y-axis. And here one ideal model graph is shown between the percentage error and the standard value for both the meters, and it will be same in nature for both the meters. But if the percentage error for any meter, if it is unidirectional, this land the result of the measurement, and in that case the instrument is said to having a bias, and the error can be corrected only after the nature of the bias is identified. It may be positive bias or negative bias. So we have to observe, we have to plot, we have to observe the readings, and we have to plot the percentage error in y-axis and the standard value in the x-axis for both the meter readings.